To change the infant face skin, start below the ear on the back of the infant's neck and gently pull the skin off of the attachment posts, working your way around the back of the head. As the skin detaches, the face will turn inside out until it is only attached by the red airway connection. Gently pull up to detach the airway connection. Be careful to ensure the red connection does not remain in the infant. Exchange the old skin with the replacement. Using the reverse order, carefully insert the red airway connection into the white connection in the infant's mouth. With a gentle push down, you should hear a click. Then pull the face around the top of the head, working your way down to the attachment posts at the back of the infant's neck.